In this video, you'll learn how to create Moltbook automation scripts. The process involves a series of simple steps within the OpenClaw control interface, leading to the successful creation and management of your scripts. Start by navigating to the OpenClaw control application. Ensure that your internet connection is stable to avoid interruptions during the process. Once you are in the application, you will see the main interface, which typically includes various options and prompts. Next, locate and click on the prompt area. This is usually a designated section within the interface where you can enter commands or requests. After clicking, you should notice a text input field appears, ready for you to type your instructions. Type in the command to create Moltbook automation scripts. Make sure to enter it accurately to avoid errors. Once you've typed the command, look for a button labeled Send within the interface. After that, click on the Send button to submit your command. This action will prompt the system to process your request. You should see a confirmation message stating, "Done. I created Moltbook automation scripts in," which indicates that the command was successful. If the system informs you that it tried to commit changes but encountered an error due to missing user configuration, you will need to address this. The message will indicate that user.name and user.email are not set up yet. This is a common requirement for version control systems to identify the author of the changes. To proceed, paste your GitHub repository link into the designated area. Ensure that the link is correctly formatted to avoid further issues. After pasting the link, you should receive a prompt asking if you want to push the Moltbook scripts to that GitHub repository. Click on the prompt to confirm that you want to continue. This confirmation is crucial as it initiates the next steps in committing your changes. Then click on Yes when prompted to affirm your decision to push the changes to GitHub. Now click on Send again to finalize the push process. You should receive a message stating, "Got it. I'm ready to push," confirming that the system is preparing to execute your command. If prompted again about your commit identity, provide your Git username by typing it into the input field. After entering this information, you will be asked for your Git email. Enter your email address that is associated with your GitHub account. Once both the Git name and email are provided, the system will confirm your details. It will then proceed to execute the commit and push actions. The final confirmation will state, "DOM, pushed to your repo successfully," indicating that your scripts have been successfully uploaded to GitHub. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.